poppin', man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. When we call up on no and show up, man, them the shot toss. When my homies pull up.
To do a quick video on the swatching for this Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. I just recorded the Clover collection by Too Faced, so if you missed this video, head on over to that video because I did some swatches on this palette and then the other good stuff that came in the collection. In this video, we're going to go ahead and swatch this lovely, beautiful. All right, you guys, so I received this from TooFaced.com, and I was super, super excited about getting this. I saw some many reviews and swatches myself on YouTube, and I wanted to try this myself because I love unicorns. And I said unicorn. I know it's a unicorn, so don't come for me, y'all. So you do get all these beautiful colors here. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You get 12 colors, and you get the magical unicorn tears on in the middle. So without further ado, let's bust up on in this palette. Foremost, you guys, I wanted to apologize that I'm not face and frontal on this video. This is my third time recording this video, plus the Clover collection palette video. My battery kept dying in my DSLR camera, so I said, you know what, forget it, bump it. I'm just gonna film with my iPhone on these cameras, so this way you guys can see up close and personal the details and things like that on these palettes anyhow. So this palette has rainbows and unicorns, like my favorite. It is like a glittery unicorn with some glittery stars, and it says peace, love, and unicorns. So let's go ahead and open this, madam. So go ahead and open this way. Oh, so you do get a that appears to be shaped like a cloud. It does not fold back all the way. I would not recommend pinning it back. You can if you want to, but my palette, I'm not going to. We do have these beautiful shades, and I can come close and show you now. The Young and Free, Rainbow Life. We have Sunset Dream, Fun in the Sun, Fireflies, Fantasy, Dusk Till Dawn, Artist Pass, Mystic Rain, Beamin', Desert Vibes, Euphoric, and then can't forget Unicorn Tears there in the middle. And in my Clover palette, I call it a mystery color because one of the colors on the palette looks differently on the palette than it does on your skin. And this also has a mystery color, as I call it. It's not noted as noted from Too Faced saying that it is a mystery color. That's just my personal observance. So what I'm going to do is my daughter and I have two different skin complexions, and we're going to go ahead and swatch them on her skin complexion and mine so we can get a better view of what it looks like. And my arms are a little fuzzy. I'm Sicilian, so we're a little fuzzy. I'll have to excuse our fuzziness. So I'm going to go ahead and do this on my daughter first. The first one we're going to do is Young and Free.
Pink.
And we're going to start here.
That one doesn't really have a sparkle.
And this is a matte color. And I got a little too close to her arm here. And it's matte. I have long nails, so that's a wide swatch. And then we have Rainbow Life. This one is a shimmer with sparkle. And I'll do two swatches on both. And the next one is Sunset Dream, which also is a shimmer color. And it is really, really pigmented. I'll do two swatches for this too.
Like a gold.
Yeah, super pretty. The one at the top here is called Fun in the Sun.
Fun.
Look at the shine on that. Put your sunglasses on.
St. Patrick's Day.
Goodness, it's like a gold. The next one, I do know this is super pigmented from swatching it early, is Firefly. Oh my goodness.
My glasses on.
That's like a green. Yes, honey. Look at this.
That's too bright for me.
Yes, y'all need some sunglasses messing with Two-Face. So we did, now we are on a Fantasy, which is a matte shade with a little bit of sparkle.
I like a purple.
And I'll do it again. Okay, and the last one in this unicorn row here is Dusk Till Dawn. And it is like a blue color,
Blue.
I would say.
Not very
Blue.
dark.
These colors here.
Especially that one.
Yeah. All right, and the next of the row going down, we're going to start with your Euphoric.
That's kind of like a goldish pink.
Yeah,
Goldish pink.
so pretty. Can I have your other arm?
Yep.
So we're going to switch her arms because I'm using up her arms. She only has two. So Desert Vibes is a matte color. I'm going to start on her hand.
That's my color.
Yeah, it's definitely, I mean, you could see it. That's 2 swipes.
Yeah.
And
That's my color.
we'll do 3. So 3 swipes for her. The one in the middle here is a Beeman. Yo!
That's blue.
That's so pretty.
Blue and gold.
Has a little hint of gold in it. It's pretty. The next one here is Mystic Rain.
The pink.
We've been swatching palettes, you guys, so I'll do it up here. Mystic Rain definitely has a like a purple pink to it. Really pretty.
Those two I gotta save.
And then the last one, this is the one I was talking about. I call it a mystery color. You see the color that it is here. It's kind of different, odd color called Artist Pass. Now, let me see if it shades, swatches completely different on her arm. It's pretty, kind of like true to color-ish to her arm.
Those
Sort of.
Those two are the same.
But wait till you see it on my complexion. It's pretty wild. And then we have the last one in, nope, Artist Pass. So that one is the last one in that little short row. And then, of course, we have to show you guys Unicorn Tears. You can already kind of see that it has a lovely glow to it. It is white, and I have to make sure that I remove all of the color from my swatching finger because I will cry my eyes out like a little baby if I mix color in to this. Yes, I'm super petty when it comes to my
That's
makeup.
the unicorn tears.
So,
That's
as this appears to have a white color on it, let me tilt her arm. It does also have a purple color. I'll do it again. It does also have like a purple pink tint. On your camera or your device, it might look like straight chalk, but I promise you it does have some purple pink tint to it here in person. So yeah. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is she is going to swatch this palette on my skin tone and see exactly what we got going on. So we're gonna start with the same row first.
young and free.
Starting with Young and Free. Go ahead.
I'm gonna do it right there.
Okay, do 2 strikes. 2 swipes. Okay.
Looks like it.
New finger.
We're gonna
The
do
next one is Rainbow Life. Oh, sorry, Rainbow. Yeah, Rainbow Life. Rainbow Life.
I would love to be a rainbow and have a life.
Go ahead and do it another time. Okay. A new finger, and we're gonna use Sunset Dream.
Right there, orange.
Sunset Dream. Do it one more time. All right, and new finger. Fun in the Sun is the top. And the sun is the top.
It's this kind of greenish.
Gold. You put on
One
your
more.
sunglasses, honey.
There we go. Like a gold.
All right, so new finger,
Free life.
firefly.
Oh. I
It's
was
like that green one.
I was looking at that wrong.
Ooh, earthling.
Put them sunglasses on.
Exactly. The next one in this palette is Fun to See. Okay, so Fun to See is this one. Oh, let's see. Ooh,
One more.
damn. So far so good.
I'm going next one.
Yeah,
I'm
on
doing
top of the
of
top
it.
too. And the last one in this row is Dusk
Dusk
Till
Till
Dawn. Go ahead.
I like this one because it's blue.
Do another swipe.
All of these we're doing two because
Yeah,
I can't really see it.
sweet. All right, and then now we're going to go into the last row here, going down, starting with euphoric.
Go on top of the blue one more. It's kind of like a goldish pink.
Yeah, like a pretty pink. The next one is a matte color, and this one is Desert Vibes.
We were having trouble with this one on mine.
Your two.
That is not fair.
A new finger, and then that one is going to be Beeman.
Demon is this yellowish one. These two, like that.
Oh,
Bluish,
so-
green, gold. I meant
Yeah.
blue gold.
It has a gold tint to it. I'll show you like this. All right, and Mystic Rain is the pink shimmer.
Mystic Rain. Which one? Oh, that one. Alright. Mystic Rain.
Two.
That one's like a pinkish.
Yeah, it's like
blue.
a pale pink. My mystery shade Artist Pass.
I'm gonna,
I don't know where they came up with that name for this palette, but there you go. Go ahead. And now look, you guys, it's totally different on the palette.
Yep.
And watch what comes up on my skin. We're going to get really close. Isn't that freaking wild?
Do one more swipe. It's different from the package.
It's different. And look, it changed colors. It's weird.
Cool.
Yeah. And then last but not least,
Is the
unicorn tears. Make sure you have nothing on any of your fingers if you have to use one of your other fingers.
Yeah, I'll use one.
And then go ahead and do it. And then unicorn tears.
It's
there.
a pink right there. There's white right there.
Go ahead and do it again. And it is definitely a white color. In person, I could see it's got a hint of pink and purple, possible glittery, but it is really pretty. So here, as you can see, it's totally different on mine. Overall, I am super satisfied with these palettes. Yeah, so I hope to finish and get the rest of the remaining.
These two are dark than mine.
Yeah, so I hope to get the remaining pieces from this collection.
Yep.
Again, this is the Too Faced Live8 Festival. And don't forget, guys, down in the description box, there is a giveaway link. And then I'm running a $100 giveaway link for 500 subbies when I get there. And then the other one is where you can... There's 4 people that can win one giveaway. So I will link that video link down in this description box. The only thing you have to do is click on it and go into the comment section of that video. So guys, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Tomorrow I'm doing a enormous haul, makeup haul, and I will be front and face on the camera. So always, guys, stay blessed, stay warm, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.